We're holding him hostage.
Got a little bit of
hat hair.
hat hair, just a little bit.
4 days before the big birthday party, my 19th birthday party, which I want to have the cage for so that we could have a little bit of high voltage shenanigans time.
All right, we're gonna cut this panel into a 4x4 square.
Adding the weight would do that.
That's our panel. That's it. But I could fit 4 people in there.
Maybe 2 Alex or Braden's.
Not much lately, but yeah, we're gonna use these aluminum angles for the frame.
Measure twice, cut once.
Measure twice, cut once. That's right. So we just did a lot of talking, and
some math.
yeah, just
We were
a lot of math.
going to do like an X frame, but we were worried, and
Daniel's the greatest craftsman I know. Woo! No way. No way. Oh! He got it! It's solid. Daniel's the best craftsman I know. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is why Daniel's in charge of the craftsmanship. Because he's a good craftsman, and then I'm good at electricity. I like peanut butter and jelly. Yummy.
So we just kept working and working and working for hours until finally, we got the cage.
My cookie. Cookies are more important than...
Cookies are more important than, oh! Anyway, after hours of constant work, we were able to have some fun Tesla coil shenanigans.
Got the plasma going.
Okay.
Sam?
Let's get you in there.
all right. Today on the plasma prints, we will be licking lightning bolts.
Sorry, are you talking to me?
Okay, so we actually talked to our neighbors. It wasn't a noise issue. They were just curious to see what was going on. So now we're giving them an experience in the cage, the unnamed cage that we're still trying to decide on what a good name for the cage is. And
Cage.
yeah, they just learned what a Tesla coil is today, so this is going to be a lot of fun for them. Point the light away, Braden.
We already got Braden and everyone in there. We got cookies from the neighbors because they like our high voltage shenanigans enough.
My cookies.
What? You don't have any of the channel ideas. He's the plasma prince.
But we have him locked up.
Like, give us your ideas.
Yeah. Give us the camera.
Yeah, guys, I missed a lot of meals this week, and I was thirsty and very sleep deprived and just kind of stressed out from the work conditions. So if you could like, subscribe, and maybe share this to someone you think would like it, I would really appreciate it.
All right, that's a wrap then. That's our video.